Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel once again. If it's your first time here, my name is Gigo and today we are back at the Pram Pram project, where in our previous video we focused on the roofing sheet, right? So it's completed. If you want to see more about that, you go to my playlist, you check it out. It came with a cost estimate and also the total cost of this particular project. So today's episode we will be focusing on the finishes, right? So now we are done with the superstructure, which is all the way from foundation to the roofing, and the next phase of this construction is the stage one of the electricals and plastering. So that is what we will be seeing in today's video, right? So we begin a new chapter, right, where we are done with all the block works, and it's time to start doing the finishes, which is something that I've been waiting for a long time, for the past 4 years now. It's all about concrete work, blocks, and cement and all that. Finally, we can start to see some POP, some plumbing works, electricals, you know, tiling, plastering, and all the nice things that comes with the house. So stay tuned for the next phase of construction. So as you can see, the electrical guys are in, and we've already demarcated right where the sockets and the switches has to go. So they will be doing that work, which you will be seeing later in today's video. So my plan moving forward with this project is to target each level at a time, right? So now the focus is going to be the ground floor, where we are doing the electricals, and then the plumbing and the plastering, tiling, everything will be completed both in and out. And then the next year we're going to target the next floor, and then the following year we'll go to the top floor, or we'll start from the top floor and then come down to the middle floor. But yeah, from now till the end of 2025, the focus is the ground floor and the compound, and also the outside of the house, so that when you are outside of the house you see a complete structure. But then it will be only the ground floor which is completed, and I'll leave the second floor and then the third floor until further notice. We are moving slow on this project, but for sure we are making progress, and that is what is more important in construction. You take your time and then you do it right. No need to put so much pressure on yourself to do it at a go. If you have the means, then fine, but you need to go through the process. Trust the process.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So then this brings us to the end of stage one, electricals, and also the plastering for the inside, right? Next episode is going to be more about the outside plastering, and then we're going to start with the doors fitting, the screening, and the POP, and also the glass. So stay tuned for that episode. Thanks for staying with me until this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.